Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about saving money, and we've got 7 easy tips that you can start implementing right away to improve your financial health. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just trying to make ends meet, these tips will help you keep more money in your pocket. 1. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is knowing where your money is going. Creating a budget is a simple yet effective way to track your expenses and make sure you're not overspending in any particular category. Start by listing all your monthly expenses, including rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your monthly expenses, you can start finding ways to reduce costs and save money. 2. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, and it's easy to fall into the habit of grabbing fast food or ordering takeout. However, cooking at home is a great way to save money and eat healthier. Plan your meals ahead of time, buy ingredients in bulk, and cook in batches to save time and money. Not only will you save money on food, but you'll also save money on gas and parking. 3. Cut down on subscriptions. Do you have a gym membership you never use or a streaming service you rarely watch? Canceling subscriptions you don't need is an easy way to save money every month. Go through your bank statement and identify any subscriptions you're paying for but not using. Consider cutting back on your cable or phone plan, too. There may be cheaper options available. 4. Use coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts are a great way to save money on everyday purchases. Before making a purchase, do a quick search for coupons or promo codes online. Many retailers offer discounts for new customers or email subscribers, so sign up for newsletters to stay informed. Additionally, consider using cashback apps to earn money back on purchases you were already planning to make. 5. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a great way to make sure you're consistently putting money away for the future. Set up a direct deposit to automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into a savings account. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't have to think about saving money. It will happen automatically. 6. Negotiate your bills. Did you know that you can negotiate some of your bills, such as your cable or internet bill? Many service providers offer promotional rates to new customers, but those rates expire after a certain period of time. Call your provider and ask if they can offer you a better rate or bundle your services for a discount. It may take some persistence, but negotiating your bills can save you hundreds of dollars each year. 7. Use cash instead of cards. Using cash instead of credit or debit cards can help you save money by keeping you more aware of your spending. When you use cash, you physically see how much money you're spending and are more likely to stick to your budget. It's also a good way to avoid impulse purchases, as you can only spend the amount of cash you have on hand. If you find it difficult to control your spending with cards, try switching to cash for a month and see if it makes a difference. And there you have it. 7 simple tips to help you save money and improve your financial health. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be difficult or painful. It's all about making small changes to your habits and lifestyle. So start today and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.